Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So let me show you a great tutorial of PowerPoint slide. Go to Insert tab, then Shape, then choose a rectangle. Again, go to Insert tab and then insert rounded cornered rectangles. Now from clicking Ctrl Z, you can paste it, and you have to paste it like this. Select all of them and click on Control Z, and then you have to paste it as well and place it under the first square line. You have to make a unique pattern like this. Now make some of these squares larger and some of them smaller to give an aesthetic look. So I have made all of the changes. Now what I have to do is that select all of the shapes. Now go to shape format, merge option, and then subject. Now what you have to do is that you have to go to shape format, and then you have to change the color to white. Then in line you have to click on no line option. Go to insert and insert a picture. Now you have to increase its size, and then you have to move it towards the back. Now you have to adjust it. Now what you have to do is that you have to select the picture, and then you have to go to animations panel. In animations panel, you have to click on lines in motions path. Now you have to go to effect options, and then you have to click left. So there is our perfect slide. You have to add the text and other stuff, and this is how our presentation slide will look. So this is the final result of this video. Subscribe for more amazing tutorials.